Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Unplug refrigerator or disconnect power. Shut off the water valve that will be used to supply water to your refrigerator. Connect one end of the tubing to the water supply valve. A cold water supply with water pressure between 20 psi and 145 psi is required to operate the water dispenser and the ice maker. Connect the other end of the tubing to your refrigerator's water valve inlet. Turn on the water supply to the refrigerator and check for leaks.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Reconnect the power, and the refrigerator screen will power on. Language options will appear on the screen, with English being the default language checked. Press the desired language, then press Next. Enter the desired time with AM or PM, and then press Set. Next, enter the desired date, and then press Set again. Locate the water filter compartment in the lower left-hand side of the refrigerator compartment. Push on the right side of the filter door to open it. Install the water filter cap onto the filter. Align the arrow on the water filter cap with the cutout notch in the filter housing and insert the filter. Once the filter is inserted, turn the filter clockwise 1/4 turn until it locks into the housing. Push the water filter door closed to latch it. Flush 3 gallons of water through the water system to clear air from the water line. To calibrate your water, place a sturdy measuring cup on the dispenser tray centered in front of the ice water dispenser paddle. Press and hold the water dispenser paddle as needed to dispense water to the 8-ounce line in the measuring cup. When 8 ounces of water has been correctly dispensed into the measuring cup, press Done and then touch OK to confirm the calibration. Home. When pressed once, it enables the user to return to the home screen. The Favorites key allows the user to save the water amount that they use on a frequent basis. Ice lets you toggle between crushed ice and cubed ice. Tools. This enables you to personalize the audible tones and the refrigeration operation to suit your needs. Temperature adjustment is available under Cooling Functions and then Temperatures. You will be able to view or adjust refrigerator, freezer, and the convertible compartment. The Fast Cool feature assists with periods of high refrigerator use. To enable Fast Cool, navigate to the Fast Cool section under Cooling Functions. When turned on, the refrigerator compartment will cool down faster than normal. The Fast Freeze feature increases the cooling for approximately 50 hours. The duration varies for different models. While in vacation mode, the refrigerator compartment will run more efficiently in order to save energy while you are away. By selecting this function, the temperature of the fresh food compartment will automatically be set to a colder temperature. When vacation mode is enabled, water and ice dispensing are disabled. To turn your ice maker off or on, navigate to the Ice Maker section under Tools Setup.
So when you're loading the KitchenAid quad, you want to really think about and pay attention to your tall, larger, frequently used items. The best spot to put those is right here. So you can see the sliding shelf moves back as you put things like your milk and coffee creamer there. And if you have any backups or extra, you can put them just behind. That way you've got like a now and a next. And then you can put your less frequently used items like some of your spices or condiments in your door bins. And that's how we designed this organization. And the great thing about a quad is when it comes to the freezer space, everything is readily visible. You can store your pizzas upright in these nice little pizza areas we have down here. And then the drawers offer the ability to organize and store things so you're not digging through. You can see mangoes are right here and blueberries are back here without having to rifle through a basket in the bottom of your freezer. The pull-out trays allow increased visibility for what I like to put in here as ice cream. But you can see how all of the storage and design helps you find what you need quickly and easily.